This cost me £2.38 to make, and I sell it for £19.95. Now this is 3D printed, something that I designed myself from scratch, and I'm selling it on Amazon. So I sold about 100 units of this item, with Amazon ads. But this video is all about why 3D printing is an amazing business to start in 2026. You have low margins, like I just said. You can do it without a minimum order quantity. You don't have to mess around with a bunch of different businesses and be the middleman. You can do this from home. I'm doing this in my bedroom. It's very simple. So if you have the knowledge of what to do, you can literally start selling in your first week. So I did a 30-day challenge back in September of 2025, and I literally made my first sale within 5 days of starting the challenge. And this was an item I also created, and it has a function, it has a purpose, and people liked it. I made sure to get feedback from Facebook before I actually started to sell it, just to make sure that it's something that people wanted. So you don't need a warehouse, you don't need a big, bunch of machines and a whole team. All you need is yourself and a 3D printer. And these days you can get a 3D printer for around $200 if you want to get the good ones, maybe $300, but it's not expensive as it used to be. So you can have multiple revenue streams. You can sell 3D prints online, which is what I do, and you can also sell them in person. And I've tried that before. For me personally, it didn't go well, but I've seen a lot of people make it very successful, making hundreds of dollars per event and just doing it from home. So these days, there's a lot of tools that you can use to actually 3D print and create the 3D prints itself. The main kind of issue that people have is wondering what profitable 3D prints to actually create and start selling, right? But we can start to actually design 3D prints a lot easier than it was before. We've got some great AI tools. We've got a lot of tutorials for design software. You can take existing 3D prints and actually make edits to those, and then you can sell that as long as you have the right permission, right? So there's so many different avenues you can do, and in this video I'm going to be talking about why 3D printing is such a good business to do in 2026. 3D printing at the end of the day is just a way to manufacture. It's just how you make the item. You've got the quality that's really good. You can, do sharper layers, smaller layers for better quality. You can do post-processing to make it look better. But in terms of the actual quality of the 3D print, a lot of people are very okay with a 3D print, in terms of the quality and the material. And you can obviously do resin for high quality stuff, but you want to kind of get over the hurdle thinking that 3D printing, like 3D prints in terms of quality, is something that people won't buy, because it's being proven every day that people are willing to buy 3D prints. And even the quality doesn't have to be the best, but obviously we want to try and do good quality, so always keep that in mind. But machines these days, they don't have a big learning curve, and it's a lot easier and cheaper to operate. So it's basically time to get started. So there's a massive growing demand for a lot of home decor items, functional items, and a lot of cosplay and kind of fun fidget items that you can 3D print as well. And don't get me started about, all the trends, the Labubus, those went crazy with 3D printers. Obviously we had the dragons, those are still going they're still pretty busy, but for the most part, the trend is not that great online. But there's always a new trend, and 3D printing gets to the front of that trend easily. Now, the thing I love is you can scale at your own pace. You don't have to wait for somebody. You don't have to go all out. You can just kind of slowly drip through and get sales, a few sales per week, a few sales per day. You can scale it to wherever you need it to be in terms of your schedule. If you have a full-time job, or you just don't want to work too many hours, for some people, that's okay. You can pretty much control how many hours you work when you sell 3D prints. Now, the key thing you want to do is have people on your side who are actually supporting you and teaching you and guiding you on how this actually works, because there's nothing worse than going at this alone, having certain beliefs about how things work and it being completely wrong, and you just waste months trying to figure out what's happening. So I have my own community. I have a school community, 3D Printly Profits. I have a link in the description below, and pretty much it's a bunch of people who are trying to make money selling 3D prints, right? There's a lot of beginners who haven't ever sold a 3D print. A lot of people are trying to figure out what profitable 3D print they can make. Everyone's in there, trying to help each other out. And I'm also there with my experience, made thousands of dollars in sales, and with my model right here. So definitely join up. I think this will be a great opportunity, a transformation for you and your business. something that you can really stick to and get under this trend, because 3D printing is only going to grow. It's a massively growing market. People are starting to get tuned into 3D printing, so you want to get ahead of the pack. So it's still not too late, there's still time. 2026 is the time to start your 3D printing business.